Everybody, welcome back to the homestead. So, no more wood turning. I went from this right here, I cut it out of this. It might be manzanita. I'm thinking it's red shank though, but I went from that chunk I took out to this. So, lots of flaws in it. So, it can only kind of be like a candy bowl, something like that. I had this major chip here that I just had to keep going and hope it held together. Big crack inside. But look at the grain on this thing. Just beautiful. I could start selling manzanita and red shank on eBay and make a small fortune. But I know it's after Christmas, but this is Mom's Christmas present. Let's go over to the light. Here's my junky little shop right now. Woo, sun's bright. But, let's see. It's pretty cool. I had to leave it super thick, rim-wise, because of that. But, boy, it's hard to get the right lighting here. Actually look better in the shade, huh? You could see the grain more. It's a small bowl, so you can see the size of this log. You can see my hand. Small bowl. But I just can't get over the grain in this. Just unbelievably beautiful. Some spots I could have had some major tear out in, but I didn't. So, all in all, I think that thing turned out gorgeous. All right. Now on to the next one. What should I do next? Adios. God bless.